to my vlog. I promise you that I'm gonna show you my new Dakine 110L split roller bag. So this is the Dakine 110L split roller bag, and I'm 5'2" and it's up to my waist. That's the height, and let me just give you the specs. The height is 81 centimeters. The depth from here up to the base, that's 33 centimeters, and this weighs 4.5 grams, and the width is from here to here, this is 43 centimeters. So yeah, it's now, let's take a look at the bag. You have here, you have handles here, which is really cool, and you have a compartment here for things that you want to easily reach out when you're traveling. Another compartment here, probably you could put your shoes there or whatever that's important to you. Also, you could lift your bag from here. There's no problem. And on this side, you could carry your bag this way. It has straps to keep your bag in place, and what's really nice about this bag is it's collapsible. So if you are storing this away, you're not using it, it's not going to take a lot of space. Let me show you what's inside this bag. It's called the split roller because you have this side and you have this side. What's really cool about this is you've got this mesh net to separate items from here and here. You got this place here for your whatever you want to put in, and another on this side. See? So you have this thing here that you attach. This is how you do it. It has Velcro. You just remove these pieces here. And when you remove this thing, look at your bag. It collapses and you could easily store it away. Let me show you how to install this. What do you call this? Split wing collapsible brace. This is how you install this thing. So there are pockets on this side, and you just insert it on the red pockets on the side. Put on the Velcro to keep it in place. It's the same thing that you're gonna do at the bottom, and then put a Velcro to put it to snap it in the proper position. Close your bag, and you've got a really nice square storage place there for things that you don't want to be squished in your bag. Now, yeah. So, yep guys, this is the Dakine 110L. I think this is the biggest in its range, and this is actually the best, from my experience, is the best kind of suitcase when traveling in off the beaten paths for long deployments, because I used to have the plastic ones. I'll show you what it looks like. Like this. I used to have the plastic ones like this, but this one easily breaks, especially when it gets thrown around in the airport, or if you're traveling and it's empty and a heavier bag is placed on top of it, it cracks. Another thing that I feel is a disadvantage with this kind of bag is it's really heavy, even with nothing inside of it. So this one, I have bought this from Surf Dome for around 6,000 pesos and got it shipped here to the Philippines. So that was another 5,000 for shipping, but I really think it's worth it. I cannot find any bag like this in our island, so it's totally worth the purchase. Thank you guys for subscribing in my channel, and I'm gonna show you some clips in the future on my adventures with this bag. Bye!